Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini Air Sign. This is June monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. Gemini, it's your reading and it's your card. What's going, Gemini? King of Wands and Six of Wands under the deck, Three of Swords. I think you are heartbroken. Maybe for some you are in separation. Maybe you are in waiting mode. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Gemini, you are in so much pain. So Six of Wands and King of Wands, but you are taking your control back and you are getting success for your hard work, especially in your career wise. You are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. Yes, future. Definitely it is very positive reading. So let's see. But in relationship wise, definitely there is some sad things. But I think there is separation for some. So let's see our reading recent past, Eight of Wands, Page of Swords and the Empress. So in past there was a lot of communication between you and your person, and there is spying. Maybe one person spying on the other person, but at last you are taking your control back. You decided to take your control back. You want to stand by your power. Then present Seven of Swords, the Lovers and Seven of Pentacles. Definitely there are some trust issues between you and your person. One person is sneaky in this connection, lying, cheating, involved, and I think it is about more physical, emotional, the love between you and your person. It is about more physical. And Seven of Pentacles, I think you're still waiting on this person. Maybe you're still waiting on someone or something. Then future, Ace of Cups, Five of Wands and Seven of Wands. I think there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. For some, those who are in a relationship with this person, right now issues. Right now there are some fightings, arguments going between you and your person. Yeah, you still love them, but you decided to guard it up right now because Nine of Wands energy. You don't want to open up emotionally. For some, more than one person is fighting for your attention also. There are some trust issues, what I'm getting here. Definitely trust issues. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Seven of Pentacles with Two of Pentacles. See, they are juggling right now. They have to make some decision. And Seven of Pentacles, they are in waiting mode. Yes. Maybe they are in also waiting mode. So let's see their current feelings, Gemini. The Moon with King of Pentacles. Yeah, there are some illusions between you and your person, misunderstandings, but they do love you. Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions towards you. They are missing you. Maybe they are realizing your worth. Now they want to come back. they're thinking about to come back because Knight of Pentacles, but they are in very, very slow moving energy. Yes, they're missing you, they're losing their nights over you, Nine of Swords energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So let's see their intentions. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. Again, the Moon and King of Swords with Queen of Wands and Eight of Swords. So yeah, they will make action. And Ace of Swords, there is communication and clarity is coming. They want to give clarity to you. And Chariot, but they are in very, very slow moving energy. The Moon, manifestation, something maybe they want to manifesting you. Are you manifesting them? And Knight and King of Swords, I think they are very straightforward in nature, and they this time they want to communicate with you and they want to express their true feelings to you, but it will take some time because right now they are in very, very slow moving energy, but they will make action because Queen of Wands is here and they want to give clarity. Yes, Ace of Swords, truth coming out, clarity is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, King of Wands. I think this person may be very aggressive or very angry in nature, or they are very dominative, but this time they want to work on this relationship and they want partnership with this connection and they are wishing for this. Yes, because Nine of Cups, Four of Swords and Knight of Swords, they are in rush to communicate with you. You will get clarity and communication and they are wishing for this connection. Wow. Right now they are thinking about you and healing. And Gemini, your money is very, very good. Ten of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Right now you are also holding back. Maybe you are waiting on them. That's why you are holding back. You are not going to make any move. But Ace of Pentacles, but you want new beginnings. And money, your money is looking very, very good. Let's see mutual. Yeah, this connection is right now stuck. Yeah, you both wishing for this connection. And King of Cups, you both have strong emotions towards each other. And you're both wishing for this connection and you're both thinking about each other a lot. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Religious factors, for some religious factors affecting your love life. All I want is you. Passion. I'm just not ready yet. For some there is slow moving energy. Past person return. Finances and career. So these are the messages. Religious factors. All I want is you. Passion. I'm just not ready yet. Past person return. Finances and career. So these are the messages. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Gemini. Your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn. See, communication is key. Two cards are popped out and believe in the impossible. So communication is key. Definitely for some you will get communication and clarity from your person, and here the message for you, communication is key and believe in the impossible. And your hard work is paying off. Definitely if you are doing hard work for your success, and your hard work will pay off. For some you are already getting results. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.